Okay guys, check this out. This is by far, hands down, my favorite rule to follow when you're talking about flipping houses. And it's called the 70% rule. What it basically means is you're gonna look at the home's ARV and subtract 70% plus your cost to renovate. And that will tell you what your max allowable offer can be. So don't worry, it's some simple math and I'm gonna take you through it. Okay, so this is 6 Ethel Lane. It's a foreclosure of mine for sale in Medford. It has a $270,000 list price, and it'll be on Zome.com soon. Okay, so check this out. We're in a low inventory market, so let's say ARV is $470,000. Now we're going to take 70% of that, which should be, I think, around $329,000. Let's see. Perfect. Now, don't forget, cost to repair. Let's guesstimate around 100 grand. Perfect. That puts us at 229,000 as our MAO, max allowable offer. Okay, so as an added note, when doing the math, you also want to account for an extra 9% in there to cover your closing costs or any other added fees. Now, I want you to take a look above. This is the starting bid, 128,000. Very different from the list price of 270. So if you're unfamiliar with how an auction works, feel free to reach out for me because I can always bid for you.